Fertilizer is one of the fastest ways to grow your plants, and one of the fastest ways to kill them. Welcome to the Chlorophyll Chronicles, where every plant has a story. Let's write it well. A lot of plant parents think fertilizer is the solution to everything. Slow growth? Fertilize. Yellow leaves? Fertilize. Plant not thriving? More fertilizer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down there, my plant friend. Here's the truth. Fertilizer doesn't fix problems. It only works when everything else is already right. Yeah, everything looking great? Good. Now you can start thinking about your fertilizing game. Think of fertilizing like vitamins for your plants. It provides nutrients that eventually have run out of the soil, especially in pots. In nature, plants constantly get nutrients from their own ecosystems. But indoors, that system doesn't exist, so we step in to help. And that is where most plant parents go wrong. A great guide to better fertilizing stewardship is only fertilize when your plant is actively growing. If your plant is putting out new leaves, growing taller, or looking strong, that's your green light. If it's stressed, recently repotted, or not growing, fertilizing can actually do more harm than good. This is the safest way to fertilize your plants, especially as a beginner. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, dilute it to half strength, apply it during regular watering, and only fertilize about once a month during the growing season. Here's how people accidentally damage their plants with fertilizer. Using full strength every time, fertilizing too often, fertilizing a dry plant, or fertilizing a stressed plant. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. Healthy plant plus growth equals fertilize. Unhealthy plant equals fix the problem first. You've now got the full beginner system. We went over lighting, water, diagnosis, soil, repotting, and now feeding. If you follow these in order, you're not guessing anymore. You actually understand your plant. Once you understand how to fertilize properly, you're no longer just keeping your plant alive, you're setting them up to actually grow. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to speed that growth up using everything that we've talked about in this series. If this helped you feel more confident with your fertilizing, hit subscribe and keep growing with me. And let me know in the comments, have you ever over-fertilized a plant? I know I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.